Hey guys, it's Laura from Driving School TV. If you're a regular here on the channel, then welcome back. If you're new and you've landed here because you'd like to see how guided meditation can help you in your learning journey, then please take a moment when we finish today to have a look at all the other amazing content that we create. But whoever you are and wherever you're from, welcome. Planning to learn to drive, actively learning, or recently passing your test all have the ability to create nerves and anxiety in their own way. We hope this series of mindfulness will help eradicate them negative thoughts. Using a combination of meditation and guided visualizations, we hope this series will make you feel super positive about your learning to drive experience, from before you even set foot in the car for the first time to way beyond passing your driving test. So to begin, I'd like you to find somewhere quiet, somewhere comfortable. This could be sitting, it could be laying, but ensure it's somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed. I'll give you a moment to get comfortable. Nice. Now you're here, I'd like you to either close your eyes or just lower and soften your gaze, whichever is most comfortable, and I just want you to breathe. Now, while you're breathing, I just want you to concentrate on that breath. So, even in your head, say to yourself, in and out. And in and out. Now, it doesn't matter how you breathe, whether it's through your nose, through your mouth, a combination of both. Just breathe. That's what's important. That's what keeps us alive. Breathing. So let's concentrate on that force and think in and out. So just concentrating on your breath in and your breath out. Now, thoughts might try and enter your head while you're trying to concentrate on your breath, and that's okay. But treat your mind a little bit like a train station and allow them thoughts to come in, but then with every time you exhale, just breathe them thoughts away. You might be thinking, did I leave the hair straighteners on? Or what's for dinner tonight? But just let them thoughts come in and then push them away with every breath. Now we're going to start relaxing before we go into the guided meditation. So as you breathe, I want you to just relax your shoulders. And then we're going to relax our arms and our hands and our fingers. Literally let your body go very loose. Your legs, your feet, and your toes, whilst concentrating on your breath. Now stay here for as long as you need until you feel super relaxed. And then we shall begin. When you think of a trip or a journey somewhere, does it excite you? Our minds automatically home into something exciting, an adventure, something fun. Learning to drive is a journey, and the way we feel about it should be no different. We should find it exciting and fun. Learning to drive isn't a journey to the Bahamas. It's a life journey, and with every life journey comes challenges. Challenges create nerves and anxiety. Nerves and anxiety trigger fear. Fear. What makes us feel better when feeling fearful? Feeling safe. Safe. It is important to feel safe. The feeling of safety improves confidence and performance. And you have got everything it takes to be a safe, confident driver. What does safe feel like to you? We're going to build that vision together. We're going to build a driving environment that feels safe. Safe in our bodies, safe in our mind. Keeping your eyes closed or gaze lowered, concentrating on your breath, I want you to vision a car park. It is mostly empty except one car. Your car. Your safe car. What colour is your safe car? You take the keys from your pocket, you unlock the door and you get inside. You are safe. Now, you may be at that stage where you've never sat in a driver's seat before, so you're not quite sure how it might feel. But it's okay. You're okay. Come take your seat. You're safe. Is it hot in here or cold? Do you need the heating on or the cooling of the air conditioning? We're just going to sit here for a moment, concentrating on our breath as the car warms or cools. You notice the fabric of the seat against your back. It's comfortable. It's your seat. It's where you feel confident. It's where you feel safe. In this seat, you will open your world to so many possibilities. It's an important seat. It's your seat and you are in control. You are confident. You are safe. How does your safe car smell? Is there this smell of crushed Wotsits down the side of the seats, or has it the aroma of a scented freshener in your favourite scent? However it smells, it is familiar to you and it feels safe. Does your safe car have a name? To some, it may sound silly to name a car, but to some, this is a relationship. This car is going to give you freedom. In return, it is going to trust you to drive it safely and confidently. And this person is you. This person is safe. You are safe. You are confident. Where are you now going to travel to in your safe car? Wherever it is, you are going to do it. You are going to get yourself there safely because you are in your safe car and you are in control and you are confident. You are able. Tell yourself this. Tell yourself, I am safe. I am confident. I am able. As amazing and confident we feel in our safe car, we can feel the same way in the car we learn in, the car we practice in, the cars we own once passing. Anytime you sit in the seat of that car, in the same way you felt in your safe car, in the same way you told yourself in your safe car, tell yourself, I am safe. I am confident. I am able. Okay, so now concentrating on your breath still, we're going to start to wiggle our fingers. We're going to start to wiggle our toes. And we're going to very slowly open our eyes and come back to the present moment. Thank you for coming on that journey with me. I hope it's helped you out, and please stick around for even more mindfulness to help you with your learning journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can see other amazing things that we do. Until next time, peace.